We have two different methods to delete any items or entities of the drawing. The erase tool is very handy to delete anything in the project, but it becomes very useful for deleting walls or joineries and fixing the intersection or trim automatically. Let's check it out. If I want to delete this wall, I will need to click on the erase tool to activate the function. Now I can left click on this wall to select it and then right click to delete it. As you can see, the intersection is fixed automatically. The same goes for joineries. I can left click on this door to select it and then right click to erase it, and the trim will be completed with the wall. It's very important to remember that this automatic fixing will only work when we delete walls or joineries one by one. Otherwise, the wall will not be fixed and we will have to use other methods to fix the intersection. I'm going to undo this action just to remind you how important it is to do this process one by one. The eraser tool can be used to delete many items at the same time. For example, lines, blocks or joineries can be selected all together with the eraser tool, and when I right click they will all be eliminated. The other method to delete elements of the project is by selecting them with the selection tool and then pressing the delete key of the keyboard. This method does not work to fix the walls when deleting other walls or joineries.